All right, guys. So it's time for lunch now. So we are going to make chicken pulao today. So chicken and pulao. We've taken like a kg basmati rice. So we'll first wash it, soak it for a while, and then we'll cook it. All right. So we've washed the chicken. It's about 2 kg chicken, and then we have 1 kg rice that we have soaked. It's basmati rice. We've taken two medium-sized onions. We are going to chop it, slice it very thin, and then we'll start our cooking. Our wood is ready. Our stove is ready. We'll then start cooking. So that's we don't have cutting board and anything here. So with limited resources, we're going to manage this. We'll catch you in a while. All right, so we are preparing our stove now. We'll fire up and then we'll start cooking. So Jamal and Shakil are assisting us in this cooking process.
مقدار تمرش
We first added oil. We'll then add the onion. Okay, so while the onions are frying, we are going to add double the amount of rice water. For example, if you've taken 1 cup of water, so we'll add 2 cups of water in another pot and then keep it for boil. So that when we are going to add the rice, we don't have to add cold water, so it slows down the cooking. That's why we are going to add like water for in a separate pot and boil it. And halfway through this frying process, if the onions are half brown, we're going to add the chicken. And while it's frying, we'll keep constantly stir it so that it doesn't burn on the side. Alright, so our onions are like half brown now, so it's time to add the chicken. And just to add a bit of flavor, we are taking like these 3 green chilies. So we're going to add this and we'll just stir it. And then we are going to add chicken. Wa alaikum salam ya habibi. Bro, please. Then while frying, we have to keep stirring it so that every piece of the chicken gets fried well. So we'll have to fry it until it gets a golden brown color, and then we are going to add the water that we have kept on the other pot.
Yes, you are fine.
Got the golden texture now. It's fried well. Now it's time to add some spice and salt as well. Then we'll add a bit of. Then we'll add water. So I'm trying to find the spoon. These guys have lost it somewhere. For now, let's just add the spice. So we are using National Pulao masala. Since it's not spicy, we're going to add it to add some flavor. Okay, let's try it again. Let the spice fry a bit with the chicken. Let it. Itself has some salt in it, so we'll just add yeah, that's it. Now we'll add the water. Remember, this is measured water. It's double of the rice.
Wow.
Okay.
Delicious, isn't it?
We'll just wait the water to come to the boiling point, and then we'll add the rice. So till then, we are going to cover it.
Bye bye.
All right. So the water is boiling now. Time to add the rice. No, just mix it up.
Nekazane ti parsa ti jeep te rangmaska ti parsa chutvi ya ti jeep chutvi. Ya ti chutvi ya ti damar di para ide. Right, right, fair enough.
Okay. Time.
ممكن كده مزمن.
We initially need high flame.
This is called
Okay.
proofing.
That's how we fire it up. It's cooking, you have to check it in between a few times and stir it. So we just have to wait for this water level to go down, and then we are going to put the cover again with some heavy weight on it, and we'll put the flame to very low. We'll put all these woods out.
Steam.
Right. Okay. So you can see the water level has gone down now. So it's time to cover it, and we are going to use a cloth. We'll do it like this, and then put it on the top, and ideally we'll put some weight on it, which we can do like the water on it, yeah. And then the flame, we should just simply lower it down. Rather, there should be no flame at all. The remaining coal that's gonna cook it. So we'll just keep it for 20 to 25 minutes, and then it's ready to serve. Alright, so we are just preparing some salad, onion, and then what do we call this, yeah? Shalgam.
Watermelon.
Forgot the name, but according to our great English professor, it's called as watermelon. It's also been 20 minutes now, so our pulao is ready,
and we're gonna eat it.
This to these hungry guys. In 20 minutes, so our pulao is ready. We're gonna lift the weight, and it's ready to serve. Guys were in a bit of hurry, so I didn't leave it for 25 minutes.
It was 24.36.
It was 19.29 minutes. Just serve it now.
এখানে কোনো গুষ্টিরা kaçtat. Güzel. Dikkat inerim. والله جيتني بكراش لين من أنا كان. ده تغزق لاي.
هذا مش متعتاد ده الدنيا الميوزك تبقى.
Okay, guys. So